everybody, this is Tanisha, an interior designer and stylist by profession, and welcome to my series Re-Love Your Space Under a Budget. And you can check out everything that I'm doing as a part of this series on my Instagram account, and my Instagram handle is @love. So do give me a like, a comment, a follow, and make my day just like I'm making yours. Hopefully, fingers crossed. This is episode 1, part 2 of the Re-Love Your Space Under a Budget series, and I like to call this project as my Santorini inspired music studio. And in this video you will see all the details that we have covered as a part of this home studio. So let's start. So now let's get into the details of this amazing studio, and that's what the details actually make this place his own studio and not really a rental studio where you can go and work. So yeah, as soon as we enter, we see this amazing bell that was a gift from a friend, and it's a craft-based product originating from Gujarat, and it has 5 dhatus in it, which creates this amazing music and amazing sound, and just in general good positive vibes all around the space. We have a really interesting story when it comes to these acoustic panels, which you can see all around. So otherwise if you search for acoustic panels, those are just plain black or just neutral colored panels, but to make them interesting and to add that Indianness and to also honor his mother's memory, so what we did was he had these saris lying, which were not really usable as saris, but something that can be still used in some ways or other. So we came up with this idea to use them as a covering for these acoustic panels, so that we add this amazing pop of color and also honor his mother's memory, because his mother was also interested in music, and a lot of his music love has also come from his mother. So that's that. And if you see these amazing wall plaques, so I'm sure everybody has seen wall plaques all around, but these have a really nice and interesting meaning. So this was his first song, and then this was his friend's first song, like solo first song. So if you scan it, so the Spotify link will open and you will listen to it. I'm sure everyone in their childhood must have had these car obsession or Power Ranger car obsession. So that's the same with my client. So he had these little mini collectibles that he had, and it's actually a Batman. And if you see in that corner, so we have these chota cars ka collection, which we have displayed, and this, and so yeah, it's his Insta handle, and you can give him a follow. It's Vibe Music. And even this, if I talk about, this is his mother's sari, because it was something it's a very interesting pattern, and I really loved. I said this has to be somewhere, but it was not enough for the acoustic panel, so I said this has to be somewhere, so that's here now. If you see this, this is this amazing khadi fabric that we sourced before first lockdown happened, and this is from my own brand QUSO, and that's why I just wanted to show that to you. So we talk about this chair, so this chair also has a meaning, like it was just a bold plain office chair, and to tie it in with the theme, we changed the fabric. And same for this table, we sort of brought a cover for this that goes in with the Santorini theme. And for the last detail that we have covered in this studio are these amazing DIY and budget friendly lighting that we have done using old PVC pipes and pipes to hide the wires, and it also adds to the eclectic touch of the studio. Now that's pretty much for the studio, and I hope you enjoyed all these little details that I showed you around. Just tell me how you love it and how it looks. Bye bye. If you liked what you saw, then stay tuned for the whole series, and please like, share and subscribe.